Writing ratios using ratio language. In a fruit bowl, there are 6 oranges, 4 apples, and 2 plums. We need to complete the statements to describe the contents of the fruit bowl. These numbers are going to be important when writing our ratios. So the first ratio we need to write is the ratio of oranges to apples, and we need to use a colon. This word 2 tells us where the colon is. So if it says oranges to apples, this first blank is our oranges, 2 are apples. The first word should be the first number, then your colon, then the second word should be your second number. So here we have oranges to apples. The first word is oranges, so that's our first number from up here. 2 apples is our second number, and we get that from our information up here. This is a part-to-part ratio because it is comparing 2 parts of the fruit bowl. Oranges is part of the fruit bowl. Apples is another part of the entire fruit bowl. So the next ratio we need to write is the ratio of plums to fruit. So plums is here, but then it says fruit. So we need to think about that. Oranges is fruit, apples is fruit, and so is plums. So that means they want us to add up all of the fruit for that second portion of this ratio here. So the ratio of plums to fruit is 2 to 12. 2 plums to 12 fruit. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 makes 12. That's all of the fruit. That makes this a part to whole ratio. It's taking part and comparing it to the whole thing, all of the portion of the fruit bowl. So part of the fruit bowl to all of the fruit in the fruit bowl. So part to whole. For every is really important ratio language as well. So this statement says for every blank apples, there are blank plums. So for every 4 apples, there are 2 plums. Looking up here, we get 4 apples and 2 plums. This is also a part-to-part ratio. Apples is part of the fruit bowl, and plums is part of the fruit bowl.